Hello everyone, these simple hydraulic press videos are getting millions of views every day and most people have no idea they can actually make money from them. In the next few minutes I am going to show you exactly how to create these viral videos step by step even if you don't have a real hydraulic press. So we have this channel, look at hydraulic press channel which has 10 million subscribers and he has a very good views making these videos. So look at the videos to this channel. So now let's start to how to generate this type of videos. So to generate these hydraulic press videos, for that you have the link in the description for this prompt. We will copy this prompt and use this prompt. Okay, let's simply start from the start, come until the end and copy this prompt. After copying that, move to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini or any other AI tool and paste that here. After pasting that, press the button. So it will give you the ideas. So it says step 1, template glass cube, crushable objects. Step 2, select one object by number. And step 3, enter your channel or branding name. So you should share this information with them. Let's come here. First we will choose, let's choose for example, rubber stress ball, rip watermelon. So rubber stress ball, this is number 3. Or aluminum soda can, whichever you choose. So let's for example 3. And it also asks after selecting one object, step 3, enter your channel or branding name. So the branding name is skill boy, simple like this. Press enter. So it will now give you the prompts for image and videos. Okay, so these are 3 prompts which has been provided to us by ChatGPT. So let's copy the first prompt for image. Copy this image prompt and simply come here. Now here we will move to the Google Flow like this. Okay, let's come here to the Google Flow tools and flow. You can use any other image generation tool also or video generation also, but first we will generate image, then we will convert that image to video. So let's the image prompt here. After pasting that, look at here, we will select image and 16:9 ratio. Here we can select 1, 2, 3 or 4 images, but let's select two versions. So let's press this button, so it will generate our images, 2 images because we selected 2. So 2 images has been generated. Look at, we have these 2. Look at the logos, which one you prefer. So just we will download that. So actually in Flow we don't need to download it because Flow will generate videos also for us. So to convert one of them to video, for that simply come here, instead of selecting image, we will select video. And here we will select in frames because we will use one of these images. The ratio 16:9 or 9:16 per mobile. For we will generate for YouTube larger. And here we will select the number of videos 1. So what else we need to do now? Here we will select the frame. Okay, the first frame. So for the first frame we have these 2 images, so I will use one of them. Let's for example, let's use this one. Select this one. So the first frame has been selected. Now for the description, how we would like to animate this, for that we will copy the second prompt. Okay, the motion prompt. Look at the prompt number 2. Let's copy this. Simply just come here, copy this. After copying this, paste that here. So after pasting this, now let's press this button, so it will convert this image that we selected. Okay, the frame, the first one, this blue ball. So it will convert this to video. So the Flow has credits. It will upgrade the credit every day for every user. But if the credits ended, then you can use Meta AI. The Meta AI is free. So the video has been generated. Look at, like, this is our video. After that we will download this. Okay, simply come here and download it. You can download it in original version or GIF. So in original version, so the video has been downloaded. So if the credits ended, so then we can use Meta AI. So for Meta AI, simply come here and search meta.ai. The meta.ai, this is a free tool to generate videos. Let's wait to load this. So here we will create After creating, we will create video. We already have an image, so let's select that image. Come here to the download. I didn't download the image, so let's first of all download that image. For example, this one or this one. Download that in original size. Yeah, the image has been downloaded. Simply just come here and yeah, let's select the image. So after selecting this image, now we will copy the second prompt, the motion prompt. Yes, this one, Control C. If it didn't fit, so then we can just change this motion prompt for 5 seconds, 6 seconds, or 8 seconds. But this is now for 8 seconds. I think Meta AI will generate just 5 seconds. Let's just check that. Okay, paste that and animate our video. So now it will start animating our video. So our video has been generated. Look at this is the video which has been generated by Meta AI. Look at. Now let us download it. Okay, simply press this download button, so it will download this video for us. So it is how we can generate videos, hydraulic press videos, and generate 5, 6, or 7 or 10 videos. I mean continuously. Then join them or use them in shorts, YouTube shorts, Facebook shorts, reels, and TikToks. So you can upload these videos and earn money and get views, followers, whatever you want. Okay, so this is a very good niche nowadays. And also, if I show you a channel, as I showed at the start, a channel, the views of that channel. So I hope you learned the generating this type of videos. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.